Hey everybody, I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA. I own Choice Tax Relief. We get you in the best possible resolution with the IRS or your state for your situation. Today, I'm answering a viewer's question about the IRS Hardship Program. Yes, the IRS Hardship Program. I explained what you need to know about the IRS Hardship Program in this video right here. You can look it up on my channel. But I am answering Jerry Erickson's Jerry's question about the IRS hardship program. Let's see what Jerry has to say. I have my form. I'm going to fill it out today. I called the IRS to see if I could resolve the $15,000 that I did not know that we owed. My husband had a stroke 2 years ago. I had to quit my job to stay home to take care of him, and we are living on his disability, which is $1,463 a month. It was $200 more, but we have to pay his Medicare premium. I already know that we are in the negative at the end of every month. We don't have enough to cover everything. Yeah, I would imagine that if you're living off of $1,463 per month, and just based on your profile picture, it looks like there might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 people in your family. I don't know if they're all under your roof, Jerry, but yeah, $1,400 a month for all those people doesn't go very far. That you say we do have equity in your home. Hope that isn't going to go against us. You have a balance of $28,000 left on your mortgage. You purchased the home for under $40,000. Okay, you're saying you bought the home for under $40,000. Now it's worth $280,000, but you only owe $28,000. So you do have equity in your home, right? So you have over $200,000 of equity in your home. That would definitely hurt you for an offer in compromise. But when we're talking about the IRS hardship program, they will ignore the equity in your home if you can prove to them that you cannot borrow against that equity, that you cannot take cash out of your home. They'll generally ask for a couple loan denial letters. And your next sentence makes me think that you will be able to get those loan denial letters because you say, I do not qualify for any kind of home equity through my bank because we do not have enough income. The income to debt, debt to income ratio is bad, right? And that will actually help you here, Jerry, getting into the hardship program. Because no matter how cash poor somebody is at the end of the month, right, money in, money out, if somebody's sitting on $200,000 of equity in their home and they owe the IRS $15,000, the IRS is going to say, well, go and get $15,000 out of your home. Borrow against your home, your $200,000 of equity, you get $15,000 out and pay us. Simple, right? But if you can show the IRS, hey, we can't do that. No bank's going to lend us money. We have all this other debt. We only make $1,463 a month. Then you have a winning argument there. Jerry says, I've not been able to sleep in overweight since I received a letter last week. I don't understand how we sent the letter to me is saying we owe $4,300, and then when I called, they're telling me that we owe over $15,000. Jerry, it's possible that $4,300 you saw in one letter was only for one tax year, because some of these collections notices, a lot of the collections notices, they only cover one tax year, right? So you might owe $4,300 for one tax year, but when you add that, you might have seen in one particular notice, but when you add up all of your balances for all your tax years, it might add up to over $15,000. That's just my speculation there. I don't know exactly what's going on with your situation, but that could be the case. Well, Jerry, I mean, it sounds like you would be a good candidate for the IRS hardship program. You're living off of your husband's disability of $1,463 a month. It looks like you have a family there. I assume you're supporting at least some of those folks in your picture. You do have equity in your home, but it doesn't sound like you can access any of it. You can't tap into any of it. As long as you don't have any other available equity and assets, like a stock account or something that you could liquidate and pay the IRS. Just based on what you told me, it sounds like a taxpayer in your situation would be a good candidate for the IRS hardship program. All right, folks, thanks so much for watching. Thank you, Jerry, for asking this question. If you are wondering about the IRS hardship program, what is it, how to get into it, please check out this video here at the upper left-hand corner of your screen. And if you want to talk to a professional about your situation, if you believe you're facing hardship right now and you can't afford to pay the IRS what you owe, or at least not all of it, give us a call at Choice Tax Relief 866-8000-TAX, or visit us at choicetaxrelief.com and fill out the form. We'll reach out to you. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.